So let's get started how to create a Jira project. So usually you should have a Jira administrator permission. So once you have Jira admin permission, if you can go to this projects menu, you can see here the option called create project. Or you can go here to the global settings and there you will have projects. So instantly if you want to create a project, then directly you can go to these menus and click on this create project. Or if you want to see all of the projects available in your Jira instance, then click on this view project, and from there you also have access to create your new project from these options. So basically this screen will also take out uh, the same sections. So once you have the Jira administrator permission, you can able to see all of your Jira projects here. And if you want to create your own project, then just click on this create project either from here or from here. So when you click on this create project, it is asking like what kind of project you want to create. So we have like various licenses for this Jira. So Jira software, Jira service desk, Jira business. So if you want to create a project, so first of all you should know or based on your request what kind of project you want to create, whether it is a development related project or it's a business related project or it's kind of a support project where you can choose your service desk or that is service management. So let's say I want to go with a Jira software. So again, I have these three categories, or I can say like the templates. So whether I want to create a project which is a Scrum based or Kanban based, or it's a basic software development. So let's say I will choose as Scrum based. But before that, I'll let you know one more options here in the screen. In the below you can see you can also import a project from your external sources, and here you have options to create a project through a shared configuration. So what does it mean by? So in this screen you can see I have various projects. So because this is a test instance, so I have like 4 or 5 projects here. So let's say I want to make a copy of this configuration of this migration demo, or I want to make a copy of configuration of this mobile support or the classmate or finance or something like that. So think like you already have a project and you want to create a project which is based on the same configuration of your existing project. So during that time, you no need to create a project and reconfigure your project with all those options. Instead of doing that, so at the time you create a project, you choose the shared configuration. It will ask you which is your source project. You have to choose the existing project from the list. So if I will choose this classmate, so how this classmate configuration is already created, the new project will be shared with the same configuration. So you no need to customize your project again and again. Okay. So after that you need to provide your username, your the project name, your the project key, and who is the project lead for that. So this is the same way. If you want to create a new project from the scratch by using some template, not with the existing project, choose any of the template. Click on next. Now it is showing like, okay, this is the default workflow for that template which you have chosen. And these will be the issue types provided with that template. If you choose Kanban, then the Kanban workflow will look like this: backlog, then selected for development, in progress, and done. And these will be the issue type. If I will choose any of the business uh, project, so let's say project management, I'll have the workflow to do, in progress, and done, and the issue type will be task and support. So this is just a template, and like Jira is completely customizable, so you can modify the workflow as per your request or requirement. Now I will choose a software project and choose this, and next. So here it is asking us to provide the project name. So my project name, let's say I want to give is uh, down Jira. So it is the most important thing is the project key. So project key once created, we can modify, but there are some various conditions of that at which moment we can create, we can modify the project key, and what will be the impact to the existing tickets and all. So we'll discuss that later. So project key is nothing but the short form of your project. So once a so how can you identify a project uniquely based on the project key? So whatever the key you will provide, all of your tickets will be created based on that key. For example, I will give the project key as DJ. So my ticket will be DJ-1, DJ-2, and so on. Okay, so let's say I want to give as the project key as uh, the same as Dawn. Okay, and so my all of my tickets will be created. It's done 1 2 3 4 and all. And who is the project lead? So as of now I will provide my name, and we can change that later. I'll just go through that and click on submit. That's it. Once that is done, then your project is created, and you have created a project, a scrum based project. So your backlogs and all already created. So it's a backlog. It's there won't be any of the ticket, and you can see here. So the board is already created, which is scrum board, which is the down board. And then the active sprints, there is no sprints as of now. The releases, the reports, the number of issues, and all these things are already there. So this is a board which is created. So whenever you create a project, and remember, the boards are only for these are the agile boards. So whenever you will choose the software project, either Kanban or Scrum, you won't get that boards specific uh, if you choose a business project. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. This is about how to create a project, and in the next video I'll let you know like how to create issues, how to create Jira tickets, and what are the various ways to create Jira tickets. It's not only by just click on this create. So we have many ways to create a Jira ticket. We will discuss that in details. Thank you.